Gentlemen, let's try. Yes, to our group of martial arts school out there who train so long, like very long term, but couldn't reach to the level of Mr. Bruce Lee. Why? Because I can sensing that Mr. Bruce Lee he having the aura of the fighter aura that boosting his strength, his muscle group, his whole bodies, intimidating strength, a poor strength that far beyond normal human being, a strength that come from the aura of the fighter. And there are many different type of aura. I couldn't sensing it yet about the crossbow aura, the aura of using the arrow or the bow, because arrow and the crossbow is different from a gun. A gun we use only our eyes, our brain, body moves to shoot, but how to unlock that is have I going to talk about the next video. And now we're talking about how to becoming the Mr. Bruce Lee next generation, how to unlock our auras, all the fighter. Mr. Bruce Lee, yes, wait for a bit. Mr. Bruce Lee usually said empty your cup, turn down the emotional, turn it down, turn it off, your emotional. About the cup in this meaning, it's different from the Grand Sword Master cup. The cup of the Grand Sword Master is in two of his palm, like we used to know, like I explained in my first video. The Grand Sword Master cup is the palm that in two of his hand, two palm in his hand that he been fulfilling for a long time, unlock the aura in his palm and everything. Hallucination, intimidating auras, or guessing what happened next about the aura of the Grand Sword Master. And now we're here coming to the aura of the fighter. The aura of the fighter is hiding in our chest. The aura of the fighter. And in a human, it has two gender. A woman, we call her cup, A cup, 2 B cup, C D cup, H cup, G cup, like that. But as a man, cup of the man right here, we talk about our chestnut. You know chestnut? A man chest? Under your throat until beneath your stomach, that part we call a man chestnut. Our men have 5 chestnut in our nut. Like in my content, like in my video, we can see. Now read our nuts. Chestnut. The man chestnut had 5 depth. The depth of your man chestnut that make us attractive, not gym. It never be. In this part, I want to make sure about another part of my video, but right now talk about the aura of the fighter that come from our cap that in our chest. A woman we call their cap, but our men we call it our chestnut, our chest. In our chest we having 5 depth. The first depth, your word have to be irons. Iron than your fist. Your word has to be iron. Even you have to cut your chest open. Following that rule. The second rule is that your body and your soul sacrifice for the greater good. Neither you sacrificing 2 of your fists, sacrificing your whole body for the martial art, or sacrifice for something else for the greater goodness. And the second depth. And the third depth, keep your emotional small. Doesn't mean you banning it, abandoning, deleting it, erase it. No, just keep it small. And the fourth depth, responsible for everything that happened. And the fifth depth, You must always be the last one who left behind. The strongest fighter is the one who left behind the battle. He understands everything, he knowing everything, the experience, the knowledge, the strength, emotional strength, body strength, everything, the strength within him. And that what we call you must be the last one who left behind. And that talk is the 5 depth in our chest. We need to understand about this depth first. The first thing that we should know is that we understand about the nut, the chestnut, the 5 depth or the chestnut in our man. Not only attractive but the aura of the fighter. You know? And then after we have wing, first we have to fulfill our cup first. 5 depth of the chestnut of the man is our cup to using the fighter aura like Mr. Bruce Lee always use his aura. I can see it with my eye. The aura intimidating flowing around his bodies, increasing every part of his bodies, and make him very strong, stronger than any human could ever be. First, we need to fulfill our cup like a Grand Sword Master cup. Being a Grand Sword Master, we have to fulfill our 2 cups in our palm. But to being a Bruce Lee, to use a fighter aura, we need to fulfill our chestnut, that our cup, our empty cup in our fighter aura. Being the fighter aura is example, it doesn't look like an anime or manhwa like Liu Kim or any pro fighter in anime out there. See them unbeatable and take cannibal and take down. No, unbreakable. No, their body have limit and they will die if they break the limit. But right here we're talking about the aura of the fighter like Bruce Lee, who want to becoming the next generation of Bruce Lee, then becoming like Mr. Bruce Lee. First, we need to fulfill our chestnut first. Do you have that chestnut? Do you have that 5 depth? Fulfill that depth. The depth of our chestnut. Have 5 of it. Fulfilling the first, we should fulfill your word have to be iron. Everything has to be iron from your word. Your emotional, your will. Talk about your will. Your will inside you, your emotional inside you must be iron. Unshakably, unbreakable, unshakably, and put down the ball. Your will never put, nothing can break your will. Your will must be iron. Your will becoming your word, and your word becoming iron. Understand that. And that is the first dam. The second dam is that your soul and your body sacrifice for greater good. No matter how hard it is to take it on, you have to sacrifice even your life for the greater good. Even you lost everything. And then the second dam. Just talk about the second dam. Sacrifice for the greater good. Don't sacrifice anything much. Just sacrifice for the martial art. Mean sacrifice your energy, your time, your strength, your resource, your months, your year, your time spending on training, hard working on martial art, sacrifice for greater good. And that can make you count on your second dab fulfilling. Fulfill your third dab. Fulfill like what? Emotional small. It's not about being cold, turn your emotional cold, a cold blood guy like me, no. And it's not about abandoning your emotional, throwing out, toss it out of the way, no. You must having your emotional, but keep it small, a small circle in your emotional, in your chest. And that's how you fulfilling your second dab. And fulfilling your 4 dab, you need to take responsibility on everything, even your own training, your recovering from training. The 5th dab, you must be the last one who left behind. You always stay in the last one that take care of everything by yourself, cover everything up. You need to fulfill the 5 dab. Man chestnut that have 5 dab demand us to fulfill. After you fulfill by doing it, practicing it, training it. When you're training your martial art, when you training your martial art, don't forget to fulfill your dab. understand the crucial part. Let's take it apart a little bit. Feeling my breath. Taking it slowly. Do it one more time. And do it again. Okay, let's start again. When you training your martial art or any fighting style out there, don't forget to fulfilling your cap. Even a woman still have to fulfilling this cap too. The fight that in everyone chest neither man neither human. It called your fight cap, your fight empty cap that you need to fulfill it. After you fulfill it fully, you will feel something inside your body starting to awaken. You awaken something deeper inside your bodies. Your fear turning down, your afraid cutting down, your nervous throughout by itself. And then to unlocking your aura of the fighter, like Mr. Bruce Lee teaches, and clearly but very important, empty your cup. Why we need to fulfill our cup fully, fight of our cup fully and then empty it? Why? Even though that message couldn't feel, couldn't understand my clear, let me explain it about a little bit clearer. It is the way that Mr. Bruce Lee felt. He felt like empty his cup make him feel so powerful, and that's the way how he unlocked his aura of fighter, the fighter aura, the aura of the fighter, or the warrior out there. The way that he felt is the way that he spoke. He spoke the way that he felt. He felt like what? He spoke like that. The way that he felt like, he will spoke like it. Spoke like the way that he felt like. Empty his cup. Empty his cup means that empty your chest, your emotional, your mood, your anger, everything. Empty it means that turn it down, turn it down, down, turn it down. To unlock your aura, don't think about anything. Keep your mind straight, clear. Repeat after me. To unlock our fighter aura, keep your mind straight, clear, and nothing in your mind. A perfectly calm mind, like a meditation person out there. A person who out there who like to meditate, keep their mind calm, clean, a clean mind, a quiet mind, and that's how we empty our cup. First, we need to calm our mind down. Don't think about anything, and start to turn down your emotional in your chest. Empty your emotional. Make your emotional in your chest start to turn it down. Turn it your chestnut. Turn it your cup down. First, we need to fulfill our five cup. The aura of the fighter is different from the aura of the Grand Sword Master. The aura of the Grand Sword Master, we need to feel, practice, use, activate, call it out, preparing it, use it, spreading it around you. But the aura of the fighter is different. The way that to make the aura of the fighter, we need to fulfill our five cup, the depth in our chest. Everyone chest have five depth. Like in my content, not only men, even a woman do have that depth too. The depth that we have to fulfill it, the five depth. The five depth we need to fulfill it. After we fulfill it already with our training, we need to know how to unlock it. To unlock it, first empty your mind. To make your mind smooth, clean and clear, don't think about anything. And starting to feel turning down the chest. Put your emotional, your mood, your anger, put it down. In fighting, never use your anger, and that is what Mr. Pussy tried to tell you. When you learn a kick, learn a fight, learn a hit, learn a kick, learn a throw, learn a punch, never use your anger. Don't use it. Feel it. Feeling the empty cup inside your chest. Your chest. Emptying it. Empty the cup in your chest. the cap that you have fulfilled it, of the dab, the 5 dab inside your chest. Everyone chest held that 5 dab that we have already fulfilling it already fully, and then we need to empty our mind first to calm our mind down, don't think anything much, and straight to our barrel, and then start to empty your cap, empty your emotional, empty your chest, make your chest emptying it, empty your heart. Easy to understand mean that empty your chest mean empty your heart. Make your heart empty. Empty your cup, empty your heart. Understand? Repeat after me. Empty your chest, empty your heart. Empty your cup, empty your heart. It's about the heart. Your emotional that's stuck in your heart, make it down, turn it down, make it calm down. Turn it down slowly. Turn your emotional down slowly and slowly and slowly. That's what we call empty your cup and then empty your mind. That Mr. Bruce Lee said. But to be clear, how to start activating it, our fighter aura, the way that he's felt, the way that Mr. Bruce Lee felt is the way that he spoke. Empty your mind, empty your cup. Keep first, we need to keep our mind straight, clear. Straight, clear, calm, nothing in your mind. Nothing in your mind. And then start to empty your heart. Empty your chest, empty your cup in your chest, in your heart. Make your heart, turn it down the emotional in your heart, hatred, mad, angry, heat, everything, just turn it down. Empty your cup, empty your emotional, your mood swing, your anger, your heat, your hatred, your against something. Put it down, down, turn it down, turn it down, put it down. It called empty your cup. Turning your emotional down, it calling empty your cup. Understand that. And to use the fighter aura like Mr. Bruce Lee, to becoming like Mr. Bruce Lee, to training like Bruce Lee. We need to fulfill our empty cup, mean fulfilling our 5 chestnut. Mean another thing, fulfill our 5 dab in our heart. Fulfilling your word, your will need to be iron. Fulfilling your body, your soul, sacrifice for something greater good, not laziness. And then the third part, fulfilling your emotional to be make practice your emotional to keep it small. Then that's the key. The third dab is the important key. Is the third dab. Keep your emotional small all the time. Don't keep it big like a balloon. Don't pull it so big balloon. Keep your balloon small. You know, the third dab means that keep your emotional small, keep your balloon small. Pull the air to your balloon small. Don't pull it so much. It's not good enough. Always keep your emotional small for the fighter. No one can provoke, disturb you any circumstances. Keep your emotional small all the time, like Bruce Lee. Responsible for everything. Your practice, your training, your fighting, your goal, why you fight it for. And then the fourth dab. The fifth dab, you always the one who left behind. It related to the sacrifice. The fifth dab related to the second dab. Sacrifice will get greater good, mean that you also going to sacrifice yourself to be the last one who stand behind, let everyone pass, you know. And that's me. That's me. And that's how we unlock our fighter aura. To unlock our fighter aura, to becoming like Mr. Bruce Lee in every martial art out there. Neither taekwondo, ninja, everything, boxing, MMA fighter everywhere. If you want to becoming like a Mr. Bruce Lee or becoming the next generation of Bruce Lee, first you need to fulfilling your 5 dab in your empty cup in your chest. The 5 dab or your empty chest inside your chest. Fulfilling it after you fulfilling it already, and then start to learn how to controlling it, how to activating it. Empty your mind, keep your mind straight, clean. And then after you empty your minds, keep your mind straight, clear, calm your mind down already, and then empty your heart. Mean that empty your emotional. It means that empty your cup, empty your 5 cup that you have fulfilling it. When you already fulfilling your fighter aura, it means that after you fulfilling your aura, first it means that after you fulfilling, first let me explain easily to understand the whole thing in summarizing way. First, to using the fighter aura like Mr. Bruce Lee, becoming a pro fighter like Mr. Bruce Lee. First, we need to fulfilling our 5 cup in our chest, in our heart. Fulfill by fulfilling the depth inside our chest. That 5 depth inside our chest, it called a cup. A 5 cup, empty cup that we need to fulfill it. After we fulfilling the 5 depth, the 5 empty cup, the cup inside our heart, the cup inside our heart, the cup inside live inside our chest, live inside our bodies. After we fulfilling it, after we fulfill the 5 cup already, and then we need to learn how to activating it, to use that aura or the fighter like Bruce Lee's. We need to empty our mind, calm our mind down, and then empty your heart, empty your cup. Turn down mean that turning down your emotional. Keep your emotional clean, keep it down, turn it off, emptying it. Don't feel anything, don't feel your emotional, don't feel the anger, the hatred, the against, the heat inside your heart. Turn it down into your cup. Don't feel anything, feel only your battle, feel your fight. And that's how you becoming the next generation of Bruce Lee. And to the genius out there, talk about my genius student out there. To all of my student out there who are a genius or under the genius, if you guys can understand the keyword, first the keyword in this whole videos, to the path after path, the step by step that I explaining. If you can control the whole thing, if you can grab the important goal in this video, you can becoming a Bruce Lee faster than most of everyone out there. It depending on your own intelligence. You need to know, you need to write, you need to practice, you need to think why I speak like that, what I try to say. In my first start until the last of my video, you need to take note the important thing that I want to describe. Not use your ear, but use your hand, your eyes, your ear, your brain, your thought. Write it, other thing that you understand on your notebook, small notebook, and start to. And then for the genius and for the minimal visors, you can, if you couldn't get what I try to say, it's okay. You can listen to my video. Oh, sorry. I'm not a devil though, but I like laughing like a devil. You can get to the points. For below the genius, most of my students out there, if you guys below the genius, you can listening to my video time after time after time. Some part that you don't understand, listening to it again and again, few hundred time, and then you will understand what I try to say. Even a genius, they still need to listening to my video 20 or 30 times per half of the year, or 3 months or 2 months or 1 month, listening to my video 5 or 10 times, and be beneath the genius. Perhaps you guys need to listening to my video at least 100 times, I guess, to understand what I trying to say. And then good night. It's night now.